In the number 22, the problem is identify the employees who handled more than 50 orders in the last month and calculate the average delivery cost per order they process. The first thing we need to do is select the employee and the primary key, concatenate the employee first name, employee last name as employee name, and we need to use count the order and the primary key order ID as total orders, and we need to use average for the delivery cost from transaction and delivery cost as average delivery cost from transaction T. Inner join employee position details on employee position details ID to transaction ID. Next is inner join employees and its primary key to employee position details ID. Inner join orders on order ID to transaction ID. And we need to use where for a transaction date and greater or equal date sub. Now we need to use the interval and 1 month. We next is we need to group by the employee ID, the first name and the employee last name. And lastly, we need to use having count order order ID is greater than 1. And we need to and when we click go, I we need to delete first the question. My bad. When you click go, here's and it works.